Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Galileo Pro Platform Review My Usage Experience. Galileo Pro Platform Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and analyzing scientific data, specifically targeting researchers, scientists, and educators working with large datasets. Key features appear to include data visualization tools, statistical analysis capabilities, and potentially collaboration features. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website highlights ease of use through an intuitive interface, aiming for accessibility across different skill levels. Pricing transparency is emphasized, though specific details aren't readily available on the landing page, suggesting potential subscription tiers. The platform appears to utilize a cloud-based system for efficient data processing and management. Availability is not explicitly stated, but a trial or demo likely exists for prospective users to assess compatibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Galileo Pro Platform Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process involved a quick registration and a helpful tutorial video that walked me through the basics. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I easily imported my CSV data and used the drag-and-drop functionality to create various charts and graphs. The platform's performance was impressive. Even with a large dataset, the processing time was remarkably fast. I was particularly impressed by the accuracy of the statistical analysis tools. I had a quick question about a specific function and their support responded within a day via email, providing clear instructions. A standout feature for me was definitely the interactive data visualization capabilities. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve for the more advanced features, such as custom scripting. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but the comprehensive help documentation was helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Galileo Pro Platform Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that significantly streamlined my data analysis workflow. That's my overview of Galileo Pro Platform Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.